Alright, hey guys, sorry I didn't start this earlier. We've got a F-18 and another propeller plane out here practicing for a 4th of July show tomorrow. Pretty cool. I'll try to get some more shots here. Let's see what they're doing, if they're doing anything else. Here we go. Looks like the jet caught up with the prop plane. I think it's a zero, but I can't be sure. We're about to find out though. I feel like I got a front row seat to an air show. I mean, it's just practice and they're not supposed to be focused on this part, but I'm close enough to their actual show area. You get a nice little show out of it. Not sure where he went. There's a passenger airliner up there somewhere. Oh, here they come again. Doing some maneuvers together. So cool. Lots of traffic out here today. On my way home. Hope you guys are doing okay and having a safe 4th of July evening. I'm on my way home from work. It's a nice little air show that we got to watch at the end of my day today. Not quite sure if I'll be lighting off any fireworks tomorrow, but I will definitely have the day off and I will be celebrating our country's independence. I do have to work on Friday. It'd be nice if I could find something or I could just make my own schedule. Maybe one of these days. Anyway, I hope you're all doing alright. Hopefully I'll make some more videos soon. Haven't really had a chance to get out and find much worthwhile for filming. Or if I haven't really had the chance to film. So hopefully I can get more of that in soon. Anyway, have a great week, guys. Happy 4th of July. See you again soon.